A perfect morning for some kayak fishing. Used to do a lot of it myself, haven't done it recently, but once you get the system down, it's pretty cool. I used to prop the rod over my shoulder and then paddle along, and it would become a troll. And I got a lot of bass on a slow troll using like a sassy shad behind me. I think I'll get back out again. I think, oh no, that's right, my kayak swam away during Sandy. Gorgeous day. Looks like there's a bunch of guys out there off Brant Beach. Maybe the lump's out there. Little wave action today. It was dead calm yesterday. Could perk the bassin up.